Barbecue.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your hostess with the mostest, Jazz, and today we are cooking on the smoker. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. We are doing some cooking on the smoker, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me. Now, I am wrapping everything today in bacon. That's right, I'm wrapping everything in bacon. Who doesn't like things wrapped in bacon? Show of hands? Nobody? Anybody? Anybody? Show of hands? Wrapped in bacon? Bacon? Alright, cool. Listen, I am going to wrap barbecued pickles in bacon. I know, it was hard for me to say it. Barbecued pickles wrapped in bacon. Now I'm going to take some pickles. We'll put a little bit of barbecue seasoning on it. A little spicy barbecue seasoning. You don't have to use spicy. You just use regular barbecue seasoning. Actually, I think my barbecue seasoning is just regular barbecue seasoning. But anyway, we're going to put a little barbecue seasoning on our pickle. We're going to wrap it in bacon. And then we're going to put it on the smoker and see what happens. Also today, I'm doing something else that I don't know that a lot of people are going to agree with. I have found out recently that I love Brussels sprouts. I know, a little odd. I'm in my mid-30s here. Just found out I like Brussels sprouts. Who knew? So today we're going to take Brussels sprouts. We're going to have them. We're going to basically cut them in half, for those that don't understand that. But we're going to cut them in half. We're going to put a little salt and pepper, a little oil on them. That way they get a little nice and crispy. And then we're going to wrap them in bacon. I don't really know if they're going to get nice and crispy with the bacon wrapped around it though. We'll see. But we're going to do bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts and bacon wrapped barbecue pickles. So, let's get started. We got to get this sucker done and get them on the smoker. The smoker's already running. I got something else cooking, doing another video for you. But anyway, let's get going. Alright folks, we got our pickles lined up here. We're going to go ahead and sprinkle on some barbecue seasoning. Alright guys, check that out. That is a Brussels sprout wrapped in bacon. Look at the juice drip off of it. Take a quick little bite. It's not bad. It's really not bad. Not gonna lie. Pretty good. Alright, now this one kind of messed up, so I'm gonna taste test it, but see if you can get a good look at that. That's a bacon wrapped pickle. Let's try it. Woo. Super hot. Not bad. Actually, way better than I thought that was going to be. Well, that's a wrap. That is it for today's cook. If you guys like what you've seen, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell so you get all the notifications. Give me a like. Leave a comment down in the comment section. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, NewbieQ2020. Follow me on TikTok. I don't post a lot on TikTok, but I do post quite often. Follow me on there at NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue. And that is all I have for today, folks. We'll see you next time on another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace.